So this is Great Wolf Lodge, in Webster. Here's a construction. It is supposed to be opening in 9 days. As you can see right there, you can see the lights on the slides and the pro slide funnels. This park looks amazing. If I'm correct, this is the biggest. This is the biggest Great Wolf Lodge water park. Unfortunately, they do not have very many body slides, but they still have a great tube slide selection. As you can see, this bowl right here. This is awesome to see. You can see the staircases on the inside in person. This is the building from the front. You can see the little. Hold on, I'm eating a taco. You can see the bear statue and this huge hotel. I didn't realize it would be that big. Oh, it's a wolf. And then you can see the slides again there. This is awesome.